This video demonstrates how you will integrate ActiveCampaign with Bitform. Select any existing form or create any form to integrate with ActiveCampaign. Here we have selected a form that we have created before. We can see that responses page is empty now. Now navigate to Form Setting and go to Integration option. To create an integration, click on the New Integration button and then select ActiveCampaign. Here you have to set an integration name. Here you have to set Access API URL and Access API key. To get Access API URL and Access API key, go to ActiveCampaign dashboard and go to Setting and navigate Developer. Here you can see your Access API URL and Access API key. Then copy Access API URL and Access API key, then paste it Bitform ActiveCampaign Integration Dashboard. Then, click on Authorize button. Then click on Next button. After successfully authorization, you can see the ActiveCampaign field. Email is a mandatory field in ActiveCampaign. You can add more fields. When you enable the Action Update ActiveCampaign, you can update existing email information in ActiveCampaign. Then click on Next. Then click on Finish and Save button. Here we can see the newly created integration. Now navigate to the Conditional Logics tab. Here you can trigger any integration by setting conditions by your choice. To know more about Conditional Logics, watch our video about Conditional Logics, link in the description. Click on Record Create/Edit from Action Run When section if want to run when a record creates or edits. Then checked on Form Submit from the Action Effect section. Then click on Always from the Action Behavior section if you want to run always without any condition. Then click on Integration and select the integration name. Now update your form by clicking the Update button. Now go to the front end of your selected form and type some information. Click on the Submit button to submit the data. After a successfully submission, go to Form Responses. Here you can see the submitted data in responses. Also, check your ActiveCampaign contact list. For updating any information, click on Edit from Responses Details. Now click on Update. Then check Success API Response from Timeline of Bitform. Also update the ActiveCampaign contact list. Thanks for watching.